afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon. How are you all? Very fine. Thank you, my dear students. Sit down. Okay. So, now I said good afternoon and I asked, how are you all? In which formation I asked to you? Is very good, girl, Maya. Sentence. So, my dear students, today we are going to learn about sentence. It's a one new grammar part to you. Okay? Sentence. Then, see here, just I want to write something here. Is it correct or wrong? Why it is wrong? Why do you stand up and tell?
Because it has
It's looking like a sentence or a word or an alphabet.
it is looking like a word.
Word.
And it is looking like an alphabet.
Yes, very good, Pratham. Sit down, go. It's looking like a alphabet. If I write like this, then thereafter
And it is looking like a sentence.
sentence. But
And it is wrong.
it's wrong. Why not, Mika?
And we should give a place.
Yes, very good. Then sit down. Then you already know how to write a sentence. But when you are writing research, some students they don't write in this in your class workbook. That's why today I am going to take about this stuff. How to write in the sentence and how to form a sentence. Then what are the type of the sentences? Okay. Shall we start? Yes. Here, one video is there for you.
Pasha has drawn pictures of a lion, a monkey and a bear. Pasha is writing a sentence about each of these animals. Let's help Pasha complete these sentences. Click an option and then click the blank it belongs to. When you're done, click Submit. Your time starts now.
Yes, here three options are there. The lion dash loudly. Yes, Myra. Roared. Yes, the lion roared loudly. The monkey dash a banana. Nivedita. Very good. Ate the banana.
Sorry, your time is up.
So,
Here are the completed sentences.
yes. The lion roared.
The lion roared loudly. The monkey ate a banana. The bear slept in the sun. Each of these is a sentence. It has complete meaning.
Yes. Then, what is sentence? The sentence is a group of words. What is sentence, my dear students? Yes. The sentence is complete group of words that conveys a complete thought, idea, or feeling. Yes, no. If I ask to Shrinika, what are you doing? That time she said, ma'am, then what should we understand? Is it a full sentence? No, we don't know that. Ma'am, pencil means what? If you want to sharpen your pencil or if you want extra pencil. If she says in full sentence like, ma'am, I want extra pencil because I forgot my pencil in home. So this gives a full meaning now. Yes or no? Yes, sentence. It gives a complete meaning and that idea what we want to tell to someone to something. It shows us. Okay? That only it's called sentence. Now we have to see types of sentence. Okay? What is that? Types of sentences. Types of sentences. So here totally 4 types of sentences are there. How many types? 4 types of sentences are there. The first one is declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory So the first one is here declarative sentence. What is that? First one is? Yes. First one is declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. This sentence shows us give some information and expresses on opinion. Sorry, an opinion. Okay. Just it tells about fact. What we want to tell. The simple sentences we use in our daily life. Like the sky is blue, our school is very beautiful, and in our classroom Atharva Singh is a very talkative boy. Yes, no? Like this. Just we can use in our daily life. That sentences are called declarative sentences. The declarative sentences just tells us about fact. What is the fact? The Scaly school is very famous school. Yes, no? And it's very big school. Beautiful also. Like this. Okay? This is tells about fact. Tells about fact. And at the end, the sentence starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. See here. She is dancing on stage. We are talking about one girl. She is dancing on stage. The letter starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. Like that. Ravi is so clever boy. Again here the sentence starting with capital letter and ends with full stop. Yes, no? Is there any doubt in this sentence?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Shall we move next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, here. The second one is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences. This one also is very important, very interesting it is and very easy also. A sentence that asks a question and always ends with question mark. Like that. When you are entering the classroom, that time what should you ask? Permission?
May I come in?
Yes, may I come in, ma'am? Like this, no? Just if you want to drink the water that time?
Shall I come in?
Yes, shall I drink the water? Yes, no? Then, where are you going? What is your name? Which is your favorite color? And when is your exams? If the sentence starts with the capital letter and ends with the question mark, we will put the question mark at the end of the sentence. See here. Could you please pass the salt? Or could you please enter the answer? Yes, no? What is your favorite color? Where is your home? What are you doing now? Where are you going now? What is your school time? Yes, no? This, what, when, where, how, which, whom, how. Like this, all these, the question, it shows that the sentence is asking the question. It's called an interrogative sentence. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then, the third one is imperative sentence. The third one is
Imperative sentence.
imperative sentence. Yes. This tells us imperative sentences are used to give instructions, make a request or issue command. The third one is imperative sentence. Okay. And this sentence ends with full stop. Imperative sentence. You have to finish your homework within 10 minutes. Like this. Command. Command is, if you talk, then go outside. Yes, no? When we have to give the order that time, is command. When the teachers should tell you, if you want to talk in the classroom, then go outside. It's a command. Order it is. You have to finish your classwork within a period. Within this class, within my class, you have to finish your classwork. Yes, no? This is called command. And one more it is, give instructions. If someone else come to our school and they don't know where is the Sir Cabinet, Principal Sir Cabinet is and where is the 7th standard class, where is the 6th standard just now only. If they ask, will you please tell me where is the principal's cabin? That time we say, yes, you have to go straight and take right. The first room is our sir cabin. Yes, no? The first room is ours. It's called instructions. Okay? Then, what it is? Request. Please give me your classwork. My classwork is incomplete. So I want to complete my classwork. So will you please give me? Okay? I forgot my pencil in home. So will you please give me your pencil? Like this. We have, if we want something, that time we must ask to other our friend with requestingly. Otherwise, hey, give me classwork. Give me a classwork. My classwork is not completed. That time your friend said, no, I don't want to give. If you ask with request, that time yes, I will give. Right time, give it to me back. Okay? So this imperative sentence shows us its request and command and instruction. Give instruction. Okay? Is it clear, students? If there is any doubt, ask me, I will tell. Is there any doubt?
No.
Yes. The last and best is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, a statement that conveys a strong emotion such as excitement, shock or anger is called exclamatory sentence. The fourth one is what it is? What it is? Yes. Exclamatory sentence. Yes. For this sentence, one special punctuation is there. What it is? This is called exclamatory mark. What it is called? Keep in your mind, students, okay? This is called exclamatory mark. We show our excitement. Yes! In this competition, I got first prize. Yes, no? Yes! I won the match. Yes, no? Yes. This time, I got first place in my midterm examination. Okay? It shows us our emotions, excitement. When we win the match, when we got first place, when we got rank, whatever it may be, when we got surprise gifts also, that time we are more excitement. Do you know, in this birthday, my mama and papa gifted me a bicycle. It's very nice, you know. What an excitement you are showing your excitement in front of your friends. Yes, no? Each and everyone wants to tell about this. Then, thereafter shock. Oh no, he fallen down. Shock. Oh my God. Understand? Thereafter anger. How dare you talk with me like this? Yes, no? Go outside. If you talk again and again in the classroom, go outside. Anger. Yes, no? This is called exclamatory sentence. You see that? I'm extremely sorry for your loss. I'm extremely sorry. Here we are showing our sadness, emotion. Thereafter, how dare he said that? How dare he said that about me? Who told him to talk like that about me? Like this. Come on, let's do it. Myra, in Saturday competition, in Saturday competition, we said that you use only one balloon. That time what I said to you? You can do, I know. Yes, no? That time what you got second place, no? Yes, sit down, beta. In Saturday competition, Myra brought 4 balloons, but we suddenly said, no, you have to use only one balloon. That time she get upset and I said that, no, come on, let's do it. I know you can do it. And she beautifully painted on that balloon butterfly. And that butterfly, she got second place in competition. Okay? So this is called cheer-upping. No, bro, you have to do, I know that. You know you have that ability to do. Yes, no? Yes. So these are the types of sentences. So in declarative sentence, interrogative, imperative and exclamative. You have any doubts on it? No? So here, I make a beautiful chart for you. copying this one. Athravasi, come here. Come and put with us, sir. Yes. So we will read again this. Mihika, come better. Come fast. Fast. What is the first one you do? This is. Declarative sentence. What it is, beta?
Declarative sentence.
Yeah. Okay.
Meaning.
Yes.
Use some information and expresses an opinion.
Examples?
She is dancing on stage.
Yes. Good.
Ravi is so clever boy.
Very good. See, beta. In declarative sentence, we learned about that. This is tells about fact, expresses some feelings and opinion. Then after second, Maya. Come here. First. Second one. What it is, beta? Nice. Interrogative sentence. Read the meaning and examples.
This sentence asks question. It ends with the question mark.
Yes.
What is your name?
Yes. These are the examples. No, you have to say examples.
Example.
Yes.
What is your name? How are you feeling?
Yes. Thank you. Go and sit. What's your name? If your friend is looking sad, what happened? Are you feeling well now? Are you feeling well today? Yes, no? You ask from your friends. Otherwise, when teacher says, ma'am, today Shrinika is not feeling well. You tell her, did no? Yes. Thereafter. Third one. Come to the machine. What it is, Veda? Imperative sentence.
Imperative sentence.
Yes, meaning.
This sentence you
Use a
use a command
instructions. Say, don't worry, say. Instructions, yes.
or makes a
Request.
request.
Very good. Example.
Please pass the book.
Yes.
Walk along this road and turn left.
Very good. Go and sit. Thank you. Walk along. This sentence gives us command, request. Okay? Last one. Jen, come in. The last one.
Exclamatory sentence. Meaning. It conveys a strong emotion, excitement, shock, or anger. Examples. Oh, that is great.
Oh, that is great.
How dare he say
How did he say that?
How dare he say that?
Yes. Thank you. Mindset. Now you understand better?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No? So, here some examples are there. We read now. Okay. Then anyone wants to give an example of sentence? Means declarative sentence? Raise your hands. Declarative sentence. It tells about fact. Myra? Stand.
She is dancing on a stage.
Very good. Very good, Beta. Sit down. She is dancing on a stage. One example for interrogative sentence. Arohi?
What is your name?
What's your name? Yes, sit down. One more sentence. Nivedita?
Which is your favorite color?
Very good. Which is your favorite color? Yes, no? Then, about imperative sentence? About imperative sentence. It's used as a command, instruction. Myra?
How dare you did that?
Yes, How dare you do that? How dare you to take my classwork without my permission? Yes, no? If someone took a classwork without permission, that time you say that, how dare you to touch my classwork without my permission? Yes, no? If someone touches your things without no permission, that I'm the anger. Very anger and you told about that, no? Yes, very good. Sit down. About exclamatory sentence. Pradhan.
The school is beautiful.
The school is very beautiful. No exclamatory sentence. We have to show you our what is that? Feelings, or show, happiness, excitement. Hanuman, yes, Nika. Then you got first prize. Then,
Wow.
wow, what a beautiful place it is. Yes, no? Yes, sit down, Nika. Again, one more. Rina, you want to start? Yes, sir. Sing only.
I winner in the cricket.
Yes, I win the cricket, I win the match. Yes, no? Very good. Sit down. So today we learn about 40 sentence, the group of words, and we have to meet between words a space and with meaningful sentence. It gives meaning that are only full sentence. Otherwise, if I ask can give like this, can give, no. Is it a sentence? No. Will you give me a, sorry, just you, anyone have extra pencil? Yes. Anyone have extra book to write? This is called full meaning sentence, and in that 4 types are there: declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamative. If in this today's topic, if you have any doubt, raise your hands. Any doubts? No? Then here I want to write some sentences. You should have to complete it. Okay? The first one is I dash my hair. Okay. The second one is I dash each mango. The third one is how dash and Nivedita, come first, come first, come first. Yes, good girl. Hmm. Yes, here we are asking question. By saying punctuation, we can identify that which sentence is. Mayurish. Nice, very good. It's okay. Thank you. One set. So is it clear? Is it any doubt? Again and again I'm asking? No? Then you already know about that. What is sentence? Then this topic is clear today? Shall we close it here now? Yes. Thank you. So anyone can tell the types of sentences? Yes, madam.
Declarative sentence.
Yes, exactly. Imperative.
Declarative sentences.
Yes. Exactly. Interrogative.
Interrogative sentence.
Yes.
Exclamatory sentence.
Very good. Clap for her. If you listen in the classroom with concentration, that time only you will be able to answer the question. No? Yes, no? Then anyone can give the example of exclamatory mark? Exclamatory sentence, sorry. Exclamatory sentence. Anger means emotions. Only Maya. Mega.
Please give me book to complete my book.
Yes, my Mika is requesting to her friend, please will you give me your classroom to completion? Yes, no? Yes, Aravi?
Please give me pencil. I forgot my room.
Yes, very good. Sit on the board. Very good. Here she is asking about pencil, huh?
What? That is a beautiful place.
What a beautiful place it is. Very good, Jan. Sit. And about interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, you will ask questions. Yes, Vidita.
What your name?
What is your name, beta? In sentence you have to use helping verbs, no? What your name is? Yes, see here. Is it a full sentence?
No.
Is it giving the meaning?
No.
What your name means? You have to add helping verb, no? Yes, no? Vidita, what I said in the starting, beta? The sentence, that sentence we have to talk. It gives a full, complete meaning, no? What is your name? Yes, no? Sit. Hilal.
Where is your professor cabin?
Yes, very good. Sit, Hilal. See, he used that sentence when I am teaching. That time sentence he used it here. Then it shows us the concentration of Bilal. Yes, no? Yes, you, Mika.
Where is your home?
Where
I
is your
like to come to your home.
Yes, where is your home? I like to come your home. Nita is telling. Yes, no? Very good. Sit down. Then, one example about declarative sentence. The fact, it tells about fact. Yes, Nita.
She is dancing on stage.
Another sentence. The neon is there. Yes, no? I like pink color. I love roses. I love to eat ice cream. The sky is blue. The rabbit is hopping. Yes, Shunika.
She likes to sing.
She likes to sing. Yes. Jen.
The rabbit's color is white.
The rabbit's color is white. Virat.
What is your favorite color?
No. Sit there.
When the rabbit is dancing.
Rabbit is dancing. Very good imagination. Sit.
The peacock will dance when it rains.
Yes, very nice. The peacock dances when it rains. Yes, exactly, Vita.
What is your favorite food?
Yes, what's your favorite food? It is the example of interrogative sentence, Shrimika. I asked her declarative sentence. Yes, no? Anyone? No? Imperative sentence? Okay then. It shows us by giving the examples. You already know about this. Okay? Is it clear?